How to find go to top button settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find go to top button settings on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and here you will find settings. Not settings, yes, click settings and then just click this one with page view and scrolling, and here you will find it show go to top button. You can turn it off or on, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.